Hey guys, it's Angel. Today I'm going to be putting on my stick-on nails from She. I've just gotten a huge package and today I'm going to be putting on Y2K Baby. So that is like a nice and baby pink sparkly. I've also got a few other ones. Creamy soda. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. And I've got taupe, which is like a black jelly. So each packet comes with a bunch of nails, all different sizes, so you just measure yourself out. Also comes with a nail filer, a glue, and a cuticle pusher. So I will show you guys how fast it is to apply these nails. I literally cannot go without them anymore. So I just line up the nails to which shape is suitable for my fingers, and then I go ahead and apply a tiny bit of glue. Try not to put too much because then it will start leaking from the sides. And then you press it on, straight on to your nail. The packet also comes with alcohol wipes just to wipe down your hands if your hands are a bit dirty, but I've just washed and sanitized my hands. So hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds and it is stuck on like that. So these are my hands before, and I'll go ahead and do one hand so you guys can see the instant difference. This whole process takes about 10 minutes maximum, and that's if you're going super slow. So compared to going to the shops and sitting down for about an hour and a half, this is definitely preferable. And these designs are amazing. One hand almost completely done. I swear it hasn't even been a minute yet. So I've actually been using the same glue bottle for about 5 sets now. So there's a lot of glue in that because you don't want to put too much so it actually lasts super long. Okay, and that is one hand completely done. That is my real nails and this is She. Last one. I think this is definitely one of my favorite designs because I love pink and I love glitter. So the pink glitter combo is amazing. And I actually love this coffin shape as well, which is what I usually ask for when I get my nails done. But after discovering She, I don't think I'll be getting my nails done anymore. And that's it, under 5 minutes, full set. This design is amazing. I am absolutely loving this pink glitter. And that's it, guys. Simple and easy. Bye.